Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I want to welcome you to my first DIY in a long time. I made these fur blinged out slippers that I got from Walmart. I got the slippers from Walmart and then I blinged them out myself. They are fur slides. They are so cute. I love the way that they came out. I'm gonna be blinging around here, but these are so cute. So I'm going to go ahead and get into the video and I'm going to show you how I made them. I'm going to put the items down below in the description box of where I got the accessories, the bling, the gems, the slides, and all that you're going to need to make the shoes. All right, so stay tuned. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and get started with the left shoe. And of course, you need your shoes. You're going to need a pair of scissors. You're going to need a glue gun, and the glue stick is already in here. I have 2 extra over here just in case I run out. And you're going to need the rhinestones, and they're called In Bloom. There's a pack of these. They were $3.99 from Hobby Lobby. They're also going to need your rhinestones here for the side of the shoe. And that you just get from the Dollar Tree. Can you believe it? From the Dollar Tree. And it's called Diamond Wrap. It's 9 feet. I'll have to stock up on this next time. But this is a 3-strand. And you're going to cut it. What you're going to do is you just, undo the plastic here. You stretch it out around the shoe, measure it, and you cut it. And then you cut, a single line here so that you have a single strand. Okay, so I have, it also comes in gold, in case you want the gold in the better light. Hopefully you can see that. In case you want to do gold. So mine's is already measured out, so we're going to go ahead and get started on the shoe. And you can make these shoes for less than $7. Less than $7 because you're using, it's $5.84, basically $6 for the shoes, and then less than $1 of the materials for the little extra bling. You cannot beat that. And these are so cute, so cute. All right, we are going to start at the very front, just making a thin strip of glue right around like that. I'm going to start putting the rhinestones on because, and be careful, you're going to get these little strings of glue. And you want to make sure that you get it centered. And I just wanted to get it started here. You're going to go ahead and press down. Just making sure that you have it centered in the middle of the sole. Pull these little strands of glue off. That's the only thing I don't like about the glue gun. Those little strands of dried glue. Okay. You're going to continue around on the shoe. I'm hoping that you can see that. Don't make it too thick so that the glue won't bubble over the sides of the rhinestones. And you want to keep that centered as well. I'm going to go ahead and finish down the middle. And then go ahead and press with the tip of the scissor, or you can get a toothpick and press down. Okay, you don't want to do it with your hand too much, because as you could see before when I did it with my finger, your finger is so thick, and then you're pressing it, it covers more than one rhinestone, so you're going to touch the glue, and those little strings of glue are going to come up. So there is the tip end of the shoe. And just remove your little strings that may be straggling behind, but that's that. Okay, we're going to get ready and start the back end of the shoe. I'm going to go ahead and make a strip in the middle. The glue dries kind of fast, so you want to go ahead and start pressing down. Get it pressed down as best as you can. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to keep going. And you're going to continue around until you get to the end. And here we go. The left shoe is finished. That is cute already. If you wanted to, you could leave them just like that, and they would be so cute. Let me show you. I had already done the right shoe. Aren't those too cute? These are too cute. So I'm gonna go ahead, but I'm going all the way, y'all. I'm gonna bling these sisters out, and I'm going to go ahead and get started with the bigger rhinestones. Okay, I'm going to put, I have to turn her around facing me, but I'm going to put this right in the center. Take my big stone here and just place it right there. And I'm going to press down. Right there in the center. Too cute, too cute, too cute. I didn't buy one of those utensils because I wasn't trying to spend a lot of money on these shoes. There's the first one. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 11. And there's the first one. I'm going to go ahead and put 11 on the shoe, but I don't want to do it on camera. I want to hurry up and get it done, so I don't want to make the video too long. So I'll be back. And here they are, all finished. Too cute. And again, here they are, all blinged out and finished. I'm going to do another DIY on some rose colored ones, and stay tuned for that. They're going to be made or decorated just a little bit different, so that's going to be coming up soon. And thanks so much, guys, for coming and visiting me at Tracie's place, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care.